Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Now this channel is all about Jeeps, camping, and the great outdoors. Now I will also be talking about other things, to name a few. My new motorcycle that I picked up a couple months ago, more than future videos, and this whole content creation thing, creating videos and getting better at it. I have a creative side, I want to explore it and just get better. Now this Jeep behind me, I picked up a little over a year ago, and I've done some mods to it since then. The first thing I did was really switch out that factory antenna. You know what I mean, that long silver antenna that comes with the Jeeps. Really bouncy, hits the Jeep on highways and in high winds. So I switched it out for a short 7-inch stubby antenna with a bit of carbon fiber at the bottom. I think it looks cool. So if this sounds like your thing, and by the end of it you've enjoyed this video, hit the like button, comment any questions you have, and I hope you come back for more videos here and you follow my journey through content creation and all Jeep adventures. All right, let's get it. Got this little stubby antenna, 7 inches. It's coated in rubber on the outside. The base has got some carbon fiber. All right. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just take this regular antenna off the Jeep. So first step's gonna be just kind of take this piece off right here. Pop this bad boy in. First, what we're gonna do is just pop this thing here into it. Alright. Alright. Right there. And the basic carbon fiber, which is pretty cool. There we go. So I got this off of Amazon. I can link it in the description. But let me know what you guys think. I think it looks nice. I was debating the 13-inch, which would have been like out to here, but based on reviews that I've seen online, doesn't really affect radio frequency in any negative way. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. See ya.